In seconds, say what matters. सेकेंडों में वह कहते हैं जो मायने रखता है. The benchmark Nifty 50 index fell over 1%, closing at 24,888.20 on Thursday's expiry session as global cues and rising crude prices weighed on investor sentiment. The bank Nifty declined by 0.67% to settle at 56,082.56. Most sectors, especially realty and auto, ended in the red. Broader indices saw an early correction of nearly 2%. For Friday's trade setup, experts suggest immediate support for the Nifty at 24,750, followed by 24,500. On the upside, the earlier support zone of 25,000 to 25,050 is now expected to act as resistance, indicating possible selling pressure at those levels. Bank Nifty support is seen at 56,100 and 55,500, with resistance near 57,700. On the global front, the US dollar index slipped to a 7-week low due to softer than expected inflation data, increasing chances of a federal rate cut. Domestically, retail inflation in India cooled to 2.82% in May, the lowest in over 6 years. Experts believe markets will remain in a consolidation phase, tracking global developments and progress on the US-India trade front. In international news, Israel has launched a preemptive strike on Iran, targeting dozens of locations. A state of emergency has been declared in Israel, with Iran expected to retaliate. And finally, experts have recommended stocks to watch for the day, including Subros Ltd, Krishna Fashion, Vijaya Diagnostic, Radico Khaitan, Indian Bank, Vimta Labs, and Asian Granito India. Hush Sauce, Mint. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.